spectre of imminent arrest closes in on former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan in a major setback. An Islamabad court has ordered his arrest, rejecting his plea seeking quashing of a non-bailable arrest warrant against him in the Toshakhana case. The court has instructed the police to present Imran Khan before it on the 18th of March. Imran Khan lashed out at the Shehbaz Sharif government following this court verdict. Listen in. Pakistan is in the midst of chaos on multiple fronts, from deepening political turmoil to worsening economic crisis. The country's problems are getting out of hand. Now, the Imran Khan arrest saga and the Zaman Park showdown is the latest addition to Pakistan's long and unending list of troubles. Earlier this week, a team of the Islamabad police attempted to arrest Imran Khan in Lahore. They were trying to execute a non-bailable arrest warrant issued by a sessions court, but the security forces met with significant resistance from Imran Khan's supporters. This resulted in a violent confrontation between the police and the PTI workers. Petrol bombs and tear gas were traded. After an intense 24 hours, the police halted their operation. Imran Khan signed a bond, committing himself to appearing before the court on the 18th of March. Separately, the Lahore High Court has ordered the police to stop the action till 10 a.m. on Thursday. The court once again postponed the police operation at Zaman Park. It nonetheless clarified that it has not stopped the police from arresting the PTI chairman. Meanwhile, the Islamabad High Court has refused to quash the non-bailable arrest warrant against Khan. But PTI workers continue to fortify Imran Khan's residence. The non-bailable warrant was issued after Khan failed to appear before an Islamabad Sessions Court on 4 occasions. This was in relation to the Toshakhana case. This particular case has troubled Imran Khan for a long time now. The case came to light in August last year. The coalition government led by Shehbaz Sharif filed this case against Imran Khan. The government alleged that Imran Khan did not disclose information on the gifts that were presented to him and that were meant to be in the Toshakhana or the government treasury at the time when he was Prime Minister. It was also alleged that Imran Khan concealed information on the proceeds from the sale of some of these gifts. In a letter to the Election Commission of Pakistan, Imran Khan admitted to selling at least 4 such presents. He also said that he had bought these from the government by paying a percentage of their value. Recently, the Pakistan government released a list of all gifts recorded in the Toshakhana since 2002. This revealed that Imran Khan, while in power, retained gifts worth at least 100 million Pakistani rupees, but paid only 20 million rupees. In October last year, the Election Commission found that the sales were not illegal, but it noted that Imran Khan did engage in unethical behavior by making false assertions and erroneous declarations. So the apex poll body barred Imran Khan from holding public office for a period of 5 years. Now, the Election Commission also filed a complaint in the Islamabad Sessions Court, asking the court to proceed against Imran Khan under the criminal law for allegedly misleading officials about these gifts. The Election Commission is now seeking a 3-year jail term for Imran Khan, as well as imposition of a major fine as punishment for the alleged offence. A case was filed and criminal proceedings were initiated against the former Prime Minister. But since then, Imran Khan has skipped the court hearings on multiple occasions, forcing the courts to issue non-bailable arrest warrants against him. The court has now ordered the police to arrest Imran Khan and, as we said, present him before it on the 18th of March. All of this has plunged Pakistan into a deep political crisis, one it cannot afford at the moment, given that it is also facing an unprecedented economic crisis with its foreign exchange reserves touching dangerously low levels, the Pakistani rupee downsliding, fuel prices shooting up, and the cost of living skyrocketing. Pakistan is struggling to fulfill even the basic demands of its citizens. Meanwhile, there is no immediate help in sight from the International Monetary Fund either. At such times, the last thing Pakistan needs is a crisis on the political front. But the reality in Pakistan is rather grim. For more on this story, we're now joined by Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik. Anas, what is the latest? The saga has gone on for days now. The court has directed the police to arrest Imran Khan, present him before it on the 18th of March. What are Imran Khan's options right now?
Well, there are no options right now, Neha. The only option on the table is either to get arrested by the police, that would be through a forcible entry, or through a pre-agreed arrest, or surrender himself before the law enforcement agencies. He was hoping that there would be a relief coming in from the court, and we saw that marathon hearing. I was inside the courtroom, and some really interesting exchanges happening there between the ECP lawyer, between Khwaja Haris, the Imran Khan lawyer, and the IG police Islamabad as well. The court has reiterated that this warrant was supposed to be just one-off thing. It was supposed to be procedural, but Justice Zafar Iqbal has said that this was the costliest warrant that he has seen for the violence that ensued following that. IG Islamabad was asked for his opinion as to what he says or thinks that that a relief in sight or an exemption from the hearing could be done, or the warrant could be suspended. He said, and he maintained, that he has to answer the families of the policemen who are injured. They've never seen such a violence previously. They said that it was procedural. He said that his forces were unarmed. So what would he be answering? He also emphasized that Article 25 of the Pakistani Constitution says that equal rights are guaranteed to all the citizens. So if Imran Khan, or the former Prime Minister, implying without naming him, if the accused, in his own words, if the accused is given this liberty, then this liberty should be available to the rest of the people as well. A short while back we saw that court verdict coming in, and it has rejected the plea of Imran Khan's lawyers, Imran Khan's legal team, and Imran Khan himself, that sought the suspension of the non-bailable warrants. And looks like Imran Khan might just have to spend a night in the jail. He's addressing the nation right now, or he's addressing the press right now, as we'd say, and it is yet to be seen as to what he has to say during that very address.
Absolutely, Anas. As we speak, we are playing out for our viewers visuals of Imran Khan addressing the press. Of course, he has made relentless attacks on the Shehbaz Sharif government, accusing it of political vendetta, and has repeatedly projected himself as a political martyr. The question now is, Anas, even as Imran Khan continues to play the victim card, it doesn't look like it's going to save him, at least for now. But politically, what ramifications is it likely to have if, let's say, he is in fact arrested and has to spend a few nights in jail?
Politically, look, the government is expecting a backlash, some sort of protest that would break out across the country. But then it remains to be seen on the modus of this arrest, if and when it happens, and if at all it happens. And that's a big if, because look, if Imran Khan goes on to surrender himself before the court or before the law enforcement agencies in order to abide and give this semblance of being a law-abiding citizens, contrary to how it has been in the past, then things can drastically change. Of course, Imran Khan's contention has been that this arrest basically means signing on his death warrant. That's what he says. So there would be a lot of responsibility on the court and on the law enforcement agencies to ensure his well-being and to ensure that law and order remains at peace and calm remains in the country, and life continues to remain as normal. It should be business as usual. That's what the political side's focus would be, and I think it wouldn't be wrong to say that that is what their emphasis and their planning in the days for this, because they've been preparing for this arrest. So they definitely would have been planning for this to ensure that life remains at calm or business remains as usual, and that is what their emphasis would be on. Neha.